Hello, beautiful people. I hope you all are watching all our video series on the emotional upheavals. And we have spoken about a lot of healing modalities, especially with the holistic approach, so that you can help yourself with these healing modalities. And they are very simple, and most of them are DIY techniques. So I hope you take the advantage of all of these modalities and help yourself out. In case you require more help, you can connect with us. Today in this video, we are going to talk about pranayam. As the word is very common and everyone knows about yoga and pranayam, I thought let me specify certain things. So basically, pranayam is what? Pranayam is a yogic practice which focuses on the breath, right? In Sanskrit, prana means the vital force or the vital life or prana shakti, and the yama means to gain control. In simple languages, when you sit in a convenient yoga pose and regulate your breathing or your respiration, it is called as pranayam. Now, pranayam involves breathing exercises and patterns where you inhale, you exhale, you hold your breath in a specific sequence. Now, why are we talking about pranayam here? Why breathing? Because everyone breathes. So, what is it about breathing? So when you practice pranayam, it helps in many ways. It's pranayam is not only inhaling or exhaling the air, but along with the air, you take in a lot of prana or vital energy, which is available free and in abundance in the universe. Now, pranayam helps to clear our body and our mind. Pranayama has the capacity to free the mind from all sorts of negative emotions. And therefore, we are talking about the pranayam. Therefore, it is advisable to practice pranayam regularly to reap the benefits of it. Though we feel it's quite easy, but when you do it on a regular basis, you will be able to see the amazing benefits of just breathing properly in a regular sequence in a proper pattern. Okay, so let me share some pranayams with you, but before that, I think we need to know the right kind of breathing. As in today's date, due to our lifestyles, our breathing pattern has changed. So we need to understand the right kind of breathing, which is called as abdominal breathing. Over here, in short, I'm going to mention about the abdominal breathing, so that when you practice, most of the problems just by doing the correct abdominal breathing can be solved. Okay, so what is the right way of breathing? Now this breathing is called as abdominal breathing because here the abdomen moves in and out. Okay, so what you can do is just to check yourself. You can keep one palm on your abdomen to keep a check whether your abdomen is moving in and out. Okay, so as you inhale, your abdomen should move outwards, and as you exhale, your abdomen should move in, so that all when you inhale nicely, a lot of air can be taken in, and as you exhale, your lungs can push out a lot of used up air, the toxins, whatever is not required by the system. All right, now when you practice this daily and you become very very proficient and proper in the abdominal breathing, you may start to practice with the pranayama. Now, for the emotional problems, or especially we are talking about depression over here. So, in this, uh, we will be talking about a pranayam which is called as Bhastrika. Okay, Bhastrika helps a lot to balance your emotion. So, what you need to do is just sit in a comfortable asana. You might sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, whatever is comfortable with you. Breathe in forcefully till the lungs are full and the diaphragm has stretched. Then you breathe out forcefully. So, this has to be done according to your health and the breathing capacity of you. Okay, you can do this in three variant speeds. You can go slowly first, then you go in a moderate speed, and then you may go in a high speed. Okay, so those who have weak lungs and heart should do at a slow speed. A normal physical healthy person can start with a slow speed, and gradually, as you keep on practicing, you can increase the speed from moderate to high. Okay, one can do this starting from 2 3 minutes up to 5 to 10 minutes according to one's own capacity and health. For more benefits, as you inhale, you can intend that all the positive, divine, joyful energies along with the air are entering into your lungs, and as you exhale, all the negative emotions are coming out. So, when you intend and do the breathing, Bhastrika, it will help you more immensely. This pranayam will help you multifold with regular practice. So let's see, I'll just show you how it is done. Okay. So as you keep one hand on the abdomen, and as you inhale, abdomen should be coming out and you forcefully inhale. Okay. And then you exhale. As you exhale, the abdomen should move in. Okay, so how much ever force you want to apply according to your capacity, again I'm mentioning this, and according to your health, according to your heart capacity, you can start very slowly, and then as you practice regularly, you will automatically understand that you're becoming better and better at it. Okay, so practice this regularly and reap the benefits of it. Okay, till then, see you in the next video.